As the Samsung Galaxy S24 series nears its expected launch on January 17, 2024, rumors and leaks have become more frequent. Nowadays, the leaks even detail the minute changes in the camera, design, and performance of the upcoming Galaxy flagship smartphones. Now a tipster on X has shared a real-life image of the camera module, confirming the fact that the Galaxy S24 Ultra will indeed switch from the 10-megapixel 10x telephoto to a high-resolution 50-megapixel 5x1. Previous rumors about the zoom capabilities have been a bit confusing, switching back and forth in terms of the resolution and zoom range of the telephoto. Now this image shows that the telephoto lens size is significantly reduced, indicating a reduction in focal length that confirms the switch from 10x to 5x. As you can see in the images of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the 10x telephoto at the bottom of the camera system was a lot bigger than the one on the shared images by XLeaker. If the images are authentic, we can pretty much confirm that the upcoming Galaxy S24 Ultra will bring a 5x telephoto instead of 10x. The famous tipster Ice Universe on X confirmed the presence of a 50-megapixel mode for its 5x telephoto lens, which would result in high-resolution output. Precisely, the Galaxy S24 Ultra's 5x telephoto lens would be able to capture photos of 6120 by 8160 pixels. These detailed photos would be much more crisp and detailed in comparison with their predecessors, including the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The previous generation Galaxy S23 Ultra launched with a 10-megapixel 3x optical zoom lens and another 10-megapixel telephoto lens with 10x optical zoom. So this time, the Korean giant is expected to come with a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel sensor with 10x zoom. Apart from the high-resolution photos, the 50-megapixel telephoto lens could support recording 8K videos with 5x optical zoom. Moreover, One UI 6.1 will bring several AI-powered features to the Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 lineup can remove objects from photos and videos. You have to simply select an object in a photo or video clip, and AI will remove it from all scenes. It will automatically fill in the space with relevant details depending on surrounding objects. This may be easier to pull off in photos than videos, but Samsung seems confident that its self-developed AI solution will give satisfactory results to users. On-device AI chatbot, similar to ChatGPT. The tool can give you answers to your questions and solve basic equations. Based on Samsung's official announcements and leaks, it will be available offline. If rumors are believed, then the new Galaxy S24 Ultra could come with a 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2x LTPO display with a 2600 nits brightness. The smartphone would launch in Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It is expected to feature 12 and 16 gigabytes of RAM and 256 and 512 gigabytes of storage options. The Galaxy S24 Ultra appears to have a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging support and 15-watt wireless charging support. The Snapdragon variant of the smartphone recently made it to Geekbench, where it scored 2117 points in the single-core test and 6720 in the multi-core test. Even some high-resolution renders confirmed the smartphone's flat-panel display rather than the curved one. Anyway, this is a great, which bring massive improvements in AI. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace out.